Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to our next Femite video tutorial. Now, guys, for this episode, I'm gonna show you how to maintain these faders in terms of maintaining them, ensuring that you're not experiencing any scratchy sound whenever you actually move these faders up or down. As for this Behringer mixer board, I actually had a problem with some of these faders here. I'm sure that channel 1 was having actually itchiness whenever I try to turn it up. Fader 2, I know definitely for these two. Right, in terms of the knobs, all of these, in terms of the knobs that control the accent and return, which of course is this row here. I think about 5 of them actually had a problem with them whenever I'm adjusting the volume, actually giving that itchy sound. Up the top, these button are these knob up the tops that actually what these does is that they actually give you some more gain and volume for each individual channel. I'm quite sure for 1, 2, 3, so the first 3 channels actually had a problem in terms of the itchiness. What I would have used is this. It actually excellent lubricant and cleaner for it is saying that it is good for faders and good for control actually work. So this is what I use to maintain and ensure that my Behringer mixer board is up and always running in terms of not experiencing any itchiness whenever actually making adjustment to the volume. Now all you need to do, let's say for example this fader right there. So this is the monosend foot fader. Let's say for example you're getting some itchiness. All you need to do is to apply a small amount. Oh, let's get it here. Oh, yeah. So just apply a small amount and just actually go up and down like that. Some persons say that they do it about 100 times, so that's what they need to do. Right, guys, what really happened is that having this mixer board and not playing for a while and having the faders at one position, actually it is not getting any exercise. So what will happen is that the lubricant inside underneath of this section here basically get dries out. So what this does is that it lubricates it and get rid of any corrosion that would have developed underneath it. So you just simply apply it and actually exercise the faders like that. Very importantly, whenever you're doing this, ensure that the mixer, it is definitely plug out or turn off, so there's no power source to it. What I ensure that actually plug out completely. Now we're on the back there, it is not plug out, but the main power source for this mixture, it is actually plugged directly from the wall, so there's no electricity going to this. So that's what it does to maintain it. Once I'm through with exercising the fader, then I basically just allow this lubricant to dry before actually powering back up this mixer board. So again, guys, again, this video show you how to maintain your control and your faders, right, and your mixer board, or just about any electrical appliances where at times you will need to make adjustment to keys in terms of volume. So once again, guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again, guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.